Good morning children. I am your teacher Aarti ma'am from Sanskriti school. How are you all children? I was also excited to meet you all. Children, before learning something new today, you remember last time we had done the numbers from 1 to 50. So today quickly revise the numbers. Okay. Now today what we'll do, along with saying the numbers, we'll do some exercise also. Okay. And then we'll say the numbers. Okay. Now follow the instructions. Now close your wrist and we are going to do the wrist rotation. Okay. For this we will be counting the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay. We'll be saying the numbers and we'll be doing the exercise also. Are you ready? All fist closed. Come on. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Now, the next exercise is you're going to move your neck from one side to other side. Okay. And now we are going to count from 11 to 20. Chal. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. Now hands on your shoulders and shoulder rotation. And the counting of numbers will start from 21. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That's great. Now, let's do one more neck exercise. Okay, we'll go up and down like this. Okay, our neck will go up and down. And this time we'll be counting the number from 31. Okay, chal. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. That's lovely children. Now, what you do, just sit smartly, back straight, and from the numbers 41 to 50, we are going to say the numbers and we are going to close our eyes, okay? And just say the numbers, sit down quietly. All eyes closed. Okay, let's start saying the number from 41. Chalo. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Now open your eyes. Excellent. That was really wonderful. See, we're done with revising of numbers from 1 to 50. Now, let's learn something new today. Are you all interested to listen something? Chalo, I'm going to tell you a story. Okay. Now, there was one girl of your age only. Okay, maybe 5-6 years old girl. Her name was Radha. And it was Radha's birthday. So Radha, her mama and papa, they all were excited. Okay. So, Radha's mother and father, they decorated Radha's room and they used big size balloon and some small balloons to decorate Radha's room. And then mama went into the kitchen and mama made a big cake for Radha and all her friends. And then mama also made a big pizza for everyone. And then in the evening, Radha's friends came, and you know what? They gifted Radha some big gifts and some small gifts. And Radha was so happy to receive all the gifts. And then after the cake cutting, what did Radha's mother do? Radha's mother cut the cake into small pieces. Okay, and she gave a small piece of pizza to all her friends. So mama cut the big cake into small pieces of cake and a big pizza into small pieces of pizza. And everyone enjoyed, and Radha was so thankful to her parents for the birthday party. So, what did we learn? That's right, we learned big and small. Big and small. Very nice, children. Children, I have some objects with me to show you, okay? So, I have got this big cup, big cup, and here I have a small cup, big cup and small cup. Now I have got something interesting. I have got this big car, and here I have small car, big car, small car. Now what I have a big spoon and a small spoon, a big spoon and a small spoon. So I want to tell you one more story. I know you like listening to stories, yes? So there was one boy, his name was Raju. And you know, this Raju wanted to go for a picnic. So he decided with his father that he'll be going for a picnic to the zoo. And you know, this Raju's father, he was a tall man, okay? And Raju was a short boy, okay? Tall man and Raju was a short boy. And they decided to go for a picnic at the zoo. And on the way to the zoo, what did Raju see? Raju saw tall buildings and some short buildings, okay? And Raju was very happy to go for a picnic. And then as he entered into the zoo, Raju just looked around. And what did Raju see? Raju saw some big tall trees and some trees that were short. Raju saw tall trees and short trees. And then Raju was amazed to see something over there. At a distance, he ran and he called his father, Daddy, Daddy, come, look, who is here? And you know what did Raju see? Raju saw a tall giraffe who was eating nice leaves from the tall tree. And then, you know what Daddy showed Raju? Daddy showed short pink color pigs who were having fun together in that zoo. And Raju was so happy to see the tall giraffe and the short pig. And then he said, thank you, Papa, for bringing me to the zoo. It was so much fun. And so, what concept was it? It was tall and short. Tall and short. So, you know, children, I have some pictures for you to see, okay? See, this is tall man, this is short man. Tall man, short man. Now which picture is coming? See, these are buildings. Tall building, short building. Tall building, short building. Now, here it is. Giraffe that Raju saw in the zoo. Tall giraffe, short pig. Tall giraffe and short pig. Now what is this? These are two ladders. One is a tall ladder and other is a short ladder. Now what is this? Trees. One is a tall tree and the other is a short tree. So, how were the stories? Did you find it interesting? Okay, now you know what you have to do. You have to have a look around your house and just try to, you know, pick up few things. Those are small and some those are big and small, and few objects those are tall and few objects those are short. Okay, now we are going to meet for the next time. Okay, yeah children, it's time for me to say goodbye. But have these fun activities at home. Stay home, stay safe and take good care of yourself, okay? We'll be meeting you soon. Till then, goodbye. Take care.